guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have here a free plant haul. Yes, you heard me, free. I know, right? I know. So I was looking on, this is my tip of the day, guys. To get good deals, try looking on Facebook. The market where they sell. You can put, cactus or succulents, and don't forget to search for free stuff. This was listed under free stuff. I guess the guy had just purchased the property, and he obviously doesn't know too much about plants, but he does like some of them, and I don't think he cared for the fire sticks, but he posted on there that anyone was welcome to come and take plants. And I walked through the property with him and talked to him about some plants. He did like some of them, and some he didn't really care for. And he was like, yeah, take whatever you want. So I did. And I had an idea because I had a week to think about what I wanted, because he wasn't available for a week. So I knew that I wanted some of these big cactus. And I know that I wanted at least 3 pieces, because I want to put it in a container with 3, obviously. I like odd numbers. So I really like the look of that. And I cut the height that I wanted. These were really tall, so I know that I wanted to stack them within the height, go from big to medium and small. So I got that, and he has some devil's backbone, really pretty. This one doesn't have root, but that will root very easily. He had some different, he didn't know obviously what he had, neither did I. Some of the things I don't know what they are. What I'm going to do is, and I'm even going to try to pull this out to show you guys. First, I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in permanent pots right now. I don't even think I have enough soil for them. So I might have to stick them in small pots for a little bit while I purchase more soil, and then find the pots that I want to use them in. So that's the goal for today. It's just some of these things have roots, so I need to pot those up. The other ones, they can hold off for a bit longer, especially cactus. But I don't know, I just feel like taking it out of this wagon because I need it to move other things around. So that's what I'm going to do today, and then I'll show you what I end up doing. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay guys, so this is what I was able to pot up because I ran out of soil. Like I said, this is temporary. This is not an arrangement or anything. It's just me sticking some plants in soil to help them root quickly. Cactus do take longer than succulents. I don't know how long this will take, so we will time this, I guess. Today is February 3rd. And it is Sunday, so we'll tug on it in the future and see if it holds, or I might have to replant it because I might get the pots that I want, so I'm not sure. Here are the ones that I had to trim off because it didn't fit, because it was like too low, and I needed to stick this far into the soil so that it would stay. Look, it has flowers. It has a little bud there, a few. But I'm also gonna pot these up probably tomorrow because I ran out of soil. I need to purchase more. And then here's more. So I believe there are different opuntias. I'm not 100%. I am not 100% sure. This was in the front, and it was a dark green. Then these were in the back, and the mother plant of this one was pretty. No, this one was in the side of the house. I'm lying. So this one was in the front of the house. This was in the side of the house. These were not big. But these paddles here, these were big. They had huge paddles. So I don't know what type of puntias they are, but they were huge. They were like a foot of long and probably 10 inches wide. And then this was really long, and in some parts thicker than others, and it wrapped, oopsie, well, there goes that. I just stuck it in there. It wrapped itself around the palm tree that was there. It looked like a snake, like a big old snake, and it wrapped itself on that palm tree. He asked me if I knew what it was. I said no, but it looks pretty cool. It was really long, and I just cut a little tiny piece. So yeah, so we'll see what that is. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. And then here's some of the devil's backbone. Really pretty leaves. And then so what was weird was that I found these on the ground. Oh, sorry. I found these skinny long ones on the ground, but they were actually attached to one of these big flaps. But that paddle, one of the big paddles, but that paddle was on the ground. Like it fell and it grew these. So I'm thinking that these grew stretched out like that and skinny and tall because they were looking for the sun. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen, you know, once I plant these and they start to get sun. So that one, and then I got lots and lots of fire sticks because I want to have them like little trees in pots, because I really want to fix that back area over there, and I have an idea of what I want to do, and I want little different plants in big pots. I don't want them in small pots. I need them to be in decent sized pots like this. This is not a huge pot, but it's not a tiny one either. So pots like these and pots like this size. Here are some that my mother-in-law gave me. I'm not like a super fan of patterns like this. I'd rather have like, I really like the style of that terracotta one. That's the one I normally have in the front, but I've been moving it around because of the rain and trying to get her to have some sun. Because like I said, up over there in the front, it doesn't have any sun. But yeah, like solid colors I like, or like a cool crackling pattern. So I don't know. So yeah, this is, but I mean, you know, I'm not going to complain. It's a free and it's a big pot, so that's what I'm going to do. I mean, I think I'm going to use these. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with these yet. But anyways, guys, so that's all I was able to do today because I ran out of soil. What I will do with these, I will put them somewhere where they will not get wet because they do not have any roots. This one doesn't either. One of those does and one of those doesn't. It can go a long time without water. It'll be fine. I have to trim those roots, dry roots that are sticking out. This one can be watered because also that one did have roots. That one had roots, so that's fine. This definitely can be watered. It had no roots. So yeah. And then the big cactus pear, I didn't do anything because like I said, I ran out of soil. But yes, I'll pot this in dry soil and it won't get water for a long time until it roots. So that was that. See, I don't know. I know I want these three together. So I'll put them in a big pot and see how it goes. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so that you are reminded of when I post a video. Thank you.